Well, typical me, I didn't record an intro to the video I'm about to upload. It's been a while, I've been super busy at work, so I'm going to be uploading a couple of backlogged videos I have. This one is going to be a radio install, the classic bass radio dual screen to the premium 11-inch, 12-inch, 11.6. Does it really matter? She might think so, but we don't. Anyways, yeah, so what's going on in this video is we're doing the radio install. A lot of people just think you can get the screen and use your stock radio. You can't. If your radio is the VC600, you're going to get a sideways screen. What you need is the VC650, or what I did was I got a VC690. It's from a 2024. You get wireless CarPlay with it. It works, but the only thing I've noticed is no matter what I do, I don't have a software update option. Don't know why. And the outside temperature is stuck in Celsius. Switched it to Fahrenheit multiple times in the video, you can see, and it just won't stick. So I've gotten very good at the conversions, but other than that, I mean, I got wireless CarPlay. That's the biggest upgrade ever. And to make it better was I saw this radio on eBay, the screen, $110. I was like, it's a pretty good deal. Noticed that the seller was a local junkyard. Went on the local junkyard's website. They had it listed for $65. Shipped, because I didn't feel like driving like 45 minutes one way, it was $80 shipped. So, cool. Get the UPS logo or label, and it says like 15 pounds. I'm like, what? Box shows up, open it up. It's the screen and all the modules on the back of the radio for $65. So I thought that was a big score. But yeah, so let's go ahead, we'll install it. And if you're going to take away anything from this video, it's easy. Don't be afraid to do it. VC650 for the module on the back if you don't want wireless CarPlay. VC690 if you want wireless CarPlay and don't really matter about Celsius outside temperature. The oil temperature still shows Fahrenheit. That's pretty much it. I mean, there's no more Starlink. Cool, Subaru can't track me. But yeah, so go ahead, enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe. Don't, whatever. I upload these videos for fun. Yeah, we also got some big sponsors coming up, so that'll be in the future. But future me signing off. Go check out pastime me when I installed this radio maybe 4 months ago. So enjoy. Don't need a lot of tools. This is what you need: ratchet, 10mm socket, a small extension, pliers, flathead screwdriver, tiny one, Phillips head screwdriver, maybe, I think. I'm going to bring it just in case, and a plastic pry tool. The radio I got came with this. No idea what this is for. I don't think I need it. I'm going to remove it. Don't know what this is, but they cut it, I think. So hopefully I don't need that. Hopefully I can just, looks like it was cut maybe, I don't know. I will remove it when I get into the car. This is what the flathead screwdriver is going to be for. Pinching anything that you can't touch with your fingers. Not can't touch, but hurts to touch, or you know what I mean. You have fat fingers like me. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to remove this, and then we're going to go to the car and get started with removal of the stock radio. Okay, now that we are in the car, you are going to remove this panel. As you can see, there's a little opening right here already. Just like that. And then this is easy. You have to remove this part. This you just grab. Just grab right here. And you just go. Just like that. And you're gonna have these two vents. You're gonna slide it to the left. I don't know if you can see. Slide it out of those holes and you're done. There's that. All right, the Phillips screwdriver is where we come in handy. You're gonna remove this and this. I'll come back after I do that. All right, once you remove these screws, you're literally just gonna go like this. It takes no effort. The only thing you have to be worried about, let me see if I can get, let me see if I can see it. You just have to remove the plug from the trip reset button. I'm currently looking through the camera at this to see if I can get it. So, excuse me for 1 second. All right, once that is out and unplugged, comes off. I'm going to put this in a bad spot right there. And then what's next is you have the two 10mm up there, which is where your extension can come in handy. One there. Don't mind the ground wire. That's for my subwoofer install. And then another one. So I'll go ahead and remove those 4 bolts and yeah, we'll be back. All right, once those 4 are uninstalled, you're just gonna pull it straight back. First thing you wanna do is remove this one right here, because this one will give you some more room to pull it out. As so. Now I have a subwoofer installed, so there's a bunch of stuff back here. So let me go ahead and literally all you're gonna do is just unplug all of this and then swap it over to the new radio. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So yeah, I'll be back once everything's plugged in and reverse installed. Now you don't have to take pictures because everything is notched. So see, I'll show you on the back of the radio real quick. Hold on 1 second. So you can see right there, the plugs will only go into certain spots because that one's not, the right one is notched in the middle. The one is not, the other one's notched offset to the left and the other one's offset to the right. So let me go ahead and swap everything over and I'll be right back. All right, don't mind the dust on this one. I have to obviously clean it, but so once you take everything back out, you literally just plug all the cables back in. 2 bolts, 2 bolts. I'm going to put my key in and I'm going to see if the radio power's on. So, moment of truth. Oh, shiz. We have touchscreen. Well, obviously we have the touchscreen, but oh, that was a little. Okay, it works. It's a little laggy. Very laggy. I wonder if it needs an update. Or maybe because the car's not fully powered on. So let me go ahead and finish buttoning up the install and yeah, I'll go from there.